Okay, so today we had the Hurricane Shake, South Seminole's version of the Amazing Shake, which is a competition hosted in Atlanta, Georgia.
Welcome to our Hurricane Shake semifinals.
So today we're gonna be showing how to do a good handshake and just kind of like showing our people skills.
We're gonna be interviewed and there's gonna be a lot of pressure. Right now, this is the deal. This is semifinals. 15 people are gonna go to the finals, and then after that, 4 people are gonna go to the Bronco Academy.
So day 2 has been kind of long. So basically what we've been doing is kind of similar to what we did on Friday, kind of like a gauntlet round. But this time we're going around South Seminole. Okay, I'm putting in my steps in. My Fitbit is going crazy right now. So next we're gonna be going to the vegan recipe TV demo. So we're gonna have to go check out that. Bye.
We are super excited. I wish I could just take all of you. Caden Tyson.